Screencasting or screen recording is one of the most important requirement of all the teachers. Screencasting makes video creation so much easy that any teacher, irrespective of the technical knowledge, can create a screencast or educational video. With the help of a screencast, you can teach any application, or you can also teach with the help of your presentation. In fact, you can teach mathematics, science, or any other numerical subject because you can write on a screen, and screencasting software help you to record your computer screen while you are writing with your explanation. I said so, when screencasting is so much important, there are very few softwares available that has a lot of functionalities. I use Camtasia Studio, but that is a commercial software and it costs around 20,000 rupees. Then there is OBS, which is free and open source software, but it is difficult to use. It's difficult to set or arrange. Then what are the alternatives? There are many softwares like Screencast-O-Matic, Screencastify, and there are so many. These are browser-based. Problem with these browser-based screencasting software is that their functionalities are limited, and many of them are freeware. So either they put their watermark there, or they give you very limited functionality, which makes it very difficult to use. By keeping these problems in mind, I was looking for a software that is easy to use and free. And my search stopped at a very good software which is known as Flashback Express. Flashback Express has three qualities. First, it's easy to use. Second, it is free. Third, it records videos in better quality. It automatically highlights mouse cursor when you are moving it. It also allows you to record your own video with the help of webcam. So, in a way, it is a complete package and it exports video in MP4, AVI and WMV. What else do you need? So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. You need to visit this website flashbackrecorder.com in order to download Flashback Express. Here on this screen you can see there is this option to download free trial. You don't need to click here because we don't want complete solution, we just want recorder. For that, go to products and you will see this option Flashback Express, light version for screen capture. Click on it. It will take you to Flashback Express page. Here you are again seeing this option which is to download Pro. You don't need to click here. Go down. Then you will see this Flashback Express, a free screen recorder with advanced feature. This is what we want. So here you have to click on this screen recorder Flashback Express, not this Flashback Pro. Remember it. This is paid, this is free, but it has limitations. On this Flashback Express you can't edit video, you can't add text, image or sound, and you can't apply video effect. Just click on this download button and it will start downloading. See, it's downloading. Once it is downloaded, you just need to install it. So when it is installed, you can open it. When you search for Flashback Express, you will see two things. One is Flashback Recorder and second is Express Player. You need to click on Recorder. You will see this window. It has only 4 options and some menu items. Let's talk about them one by one. This is the area that you want to record. If you want to record full screen, you will select full screen. Otherwise, you can select a region. In that case, you have to select a region while you will press record button, and then there is this window. When you select window, only that window will be recorded. No other application will be recorded. Then there is this option for microphone. If you want to record your voice explanation, in that case, check it, otherwise you can uncheck it. When it is checked, you will see options for different mics. So you have to select the correct mic option here. When your mic is selected and you are speaking, then you can see this bar is moving. If this is moving, it means it will capture your sound. You can decrease or increase the volume from here. So how much intensity do you want to set for your mic, that you can decide from here. I will select the maximum as this bar is never touching the end of this. Then this is PC sound. So many of times when you make error or when you do something, your PC also generates sound, or when you play movie also, your PC generates sound. So that sound is not coming from a mic. It is internal PC sound. This is why if you want to record that sound, in that case you need to check it, otherwise you can uncheck it. If you uncheck it and if you want to show a movie or play audio during the recording, that particular sound of movie or music will not be recorded. Or even if when we press Control key 5 times, a ding sound come. When we make errors, when we click on unknown areas, then the sound of ding or error come, that will not be recorded. So I don't want that. This is why I'll select it. Then you have to select which PC speaker. So I'll say default PC speaker. You can set this intensity also. Right now, as you can see, our PC is not making any sound. This is why this is blank. Let's play a movie. So I am playing an audio now. See, now the audio is playing and this is why you are seeing this. See. When there will be high sound, see, okay. I will now pause it. Now this sound stops. So if you want to record PC sound, then check it, otherwise uncheck it. Then this is the option to record from your web camera. Check it. If you want to record your webcam, then it will display this option to you. Then there is this option to select the correct camera source. So this is the correct camera source. You can go for the settings and then select the brightness, contrast, gamma, all the things you can select from here. When this option is selected, Flashback Express will record from your camera stream also. But if you also want to keep it visible on the screen, in that case you can select this. If you select this, the camera source will remain visible during your recording also. So it will be a little annoying, so I will just close it. Or if you just want to record from your webcam, then select this option. In that case, the area is now hidden. See, only webcam will be recorded, not the screen. So I don't want that. And then I will select the full screen. So these were the options. If you want to explore some extra settings, you can go to here, settings. This window will open. Here you can control a lot of things like window, sound, webcam. So these are advanced options. These are not required generally. I will select OK. When you think that your settings are correct, simply click on record. When you click on record, it will show you that you need to press Ctrl+Shift+S in order to stop the recording. When recording starts, it shows this window, a small window, where you can see how much time has passed during the recording. If you want to pause the recording, you can pause the recording. If you want to stop recording, you can stop from here. When you are recording, it's better to minimize it, otherwise this window will also appear in the recording screen. Let's now go to our windows that we want to record. For example, if I want to record this, then I now know that my screen is being captured as a video, my sound is being captured, my video is being captured. All I need to do now is explain the software or the web page that I want to explain. So let us say if I want to explain this, I want to tell you about the Flashback Express Pro. So this Flashback Pro, which I forward you to download, is actually very good editor. So if we see its properties or its features, you will see it allows us to capture keystrokes, mouse pointer, highlight mouse pointer. It allows us to add text, PIP mode. It allows us to do a lot of things which cannot be done with other editors. It actually also allowed us to schedule the recording. So at that particular time, recording will automatically start. When you are done recording, you can either press Ctrl+Shift+S to stop recording, or you can go here and open this flashback. You can see this small dot. This means it's recording. Double click on it, it will open. Then you can press this stop button and it will stop recording. It's better to use Ctrl+Shift+S. When recording is done, it will show you this option, your recording. You have made a recording. What do you want to do now? Play it or save it or delete it. So don't delete it unless it is really useless clip. If you click on play, this recording will open in a player, Flashback player. See, this is Flashback Express player. And as you can see, the recording is now available here in front of me. This is a player. Here I can click on this play to play my video and to see it, how it is looking. You can see this is sound from microphone, this is PC sound, this is recording from my webcam, this is mouse, these are the frames. So it shows you frame by frame rather than the timeline view. Other editors show you timeline view, and these are the keystrokes. If we have pressed any keystroke, these are already captured, and this is zoom, they are objects. So basically there are so many editing options, but these options are available only in Pro, not in this Flashback Express. But we don't want to edit it, we can use another editor. When we have recorded it, when we are satisfied with the recording, we can simply go to File and click on Export. And then there are three options: MP4, AVI, WMV. I will select MP4 and click on OK. It will then ask me these options. What do you want to export? Whole movie or selected frames? So let us say if you don't want to export 60 seconds or 40 seconds of the beginning of the clip, and similarly 60 seconds from the end of the clip, then you can do it like this. What scaling do you want? Scale to what? Percentage or pixels? So I will say 100%. I don't want to lose any quality. You can see the movie width is 1360 by 768 pixel. You can also increase the size, means you can increase the width to make it full HD. So I will select pixels, and from here I will select 1920 by 1080. So somehow this screen is not matching with that. Then you can also click on this keep aspect ratio. So you are not changing width alone. See, only width is increasing. This is wrong. So I will select click aspect ratio and I will select percentage, and then I will select 100%. This is fine. Then these are the frame rates. I will say full frame rate. Create a keyframe every 20 frames. That's okay. This is video and sound quality. What mode? Quality 90% is fine. Export sound is 128 kbps. It's okay. And this is codecs. I will select OpenH264. You can select any codec which is available here. Let's now click on export. It will ask you to save. Give your file a name. So I'll give VV Flashback Express Training and click on save. By clicking here, you can start your free trial and try this. Believe me, this recorder is really awesome. I'll say yes. And then you can see this is how video is recorded. So as you can see, this video is coming in between. What if I want to increase its size or decrease its size? This I can do again here in this Flashback Express player. What I can do, I can decrease its size and place it somewhere else. Once I am satisfied with my placement of video, I will then go to File, Export and export it again. So after exporting, it's asking me if I want to view it or open file location. I want to view it. I will click yes. I will click yes, and now you can see the video placement is correct. The important thing to notice is that mouse cursor is not only recorded but also highlighted by default. Highlight is not distracting my frame. It actually kind of transparent. If you talk about quality, you can check the quality. Even the text, small text is also readable. See, this is a small text, still it is readable. See, this small text is also readable. This is why I always recommend to use Flashback Express. If you are really looking for a free solution, this is the truly free solution. It has no limitations, has lots of features. Then there are some other settings also. If you go to effect, you can click on this highlight cursor and then you can select if you want to highlight this circle like this or you want to convert it as a spotlight. So I will say circle, and if you want to increase the size of the cursor, then you can click here and you can increase the size of cursor from here. Select extra large. Okay. If you want to highlight mouse clicks, click here, otherwise it's okay. If you want to apply these settings to new recordings also, click on this apply settings to new recording and then click on OK. See, now the mouse cursor is bigger. Although your screen capture is now exported as MP4, still if you want to keep this file for future, you can click on file and save as, then it will ask you to save. See, you can save this file as FBR. So it's now saved as FBR file. Now you know how to use Flashback Express. So what are you waiting for? Install it and start using it. If you face any issue, please tell me in the comment section of this video. If you know some other software which you consider the easiest software for screencasting that also don't put any watermark in the video, please let me know. I will be happy to know about it and I will definitely make a video for that screen recorder as well. In the next video, you will learn how big companies shoot their videos so they keep changing the background in their educational videos, like you are seeing in this video right now. You will learn everything. You will learn about the technique, you will learn about the tool, you will learn about the setup, and you will also learn how to edit this type of videos. So keep watching ET Mantra. I will see you in my next video. Namaste.